Disable Control plus a shortcut in KeePass. How do I disable the Control plus a keyboard shortcut in KeePass? This is A in Polish and I use it very often. I've dug into options and found nothing. It's annoying not being able to type normally with KeePass open.
Auto hotkey will be able to help you remap the A to another key combination that won't interfere with KeePass.
To change Alt plus a keyboard shortcut, go to Tools, Options, Advanced Auto Type button at the bottom. And change key combination here.
Cornelius' answer from August 18, is almost 2 years old. Here is the solution for KeePass 2.21. Go to Tools/Options/Integration/System-wide Hotkeys/Global Autotype and clear the shortcut already written there, Control, Alt plus A. It will change to none. There you have it.
Remapping A is obviously not a solution. Go to Tools is greater than Options, then Advanced tab and click Auto Type button. You may disable it or change. Generally, it is bad idea to register as a global shortcut any combination of Control plus Alt.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.